Hi everybody, this is Teresa the Wood Slab Artist. Since everybody's pretty much indoors these days, I started to do canvas paintings. And like yourself maybe, I'm not a pro at it, but I've enjoyed doing it and I found simple ways to do it, so I wanted to share with you guys. I did do a sunset in my last video. That is a giveaway. If you like and subscribe and leave a comment, I'll do a drawing. Today we are going to do the clouds in the sky, all right, and all the different shades of blue. So if you like blue, you're going to love this one. So the last time we made a half circle for the sun. Today we're just going to cut out some clouds with any kind of tape you might have at your house. Not sure about just regular old Scotch tape will work, but like duct tape or something like that you can just peel off. So I'm going to go ahead and put some that I have pre-cut on my canvas. If you're looking for canvases, I'll put a link below. And it's just going to be a complete sky picture. So I put 3. And you can also make them look like things, objects, you know. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with some gray. I'll put a dab in the center. And I'm going to start just putting different shades of blue. That one's empty. Let me go with this one. Just little drops. These paints are cheap. You can even water them down. And the more different shades you use, just the prettier the sky is going to be. Okay. Now I'm going to grab my paintbrush. And I'm just going to start painting. Mixing those shades together. Very calming, very relaxing. You can paint. If you've always wanted to paint, you can paint. Look at that. The colors are just blending together. Got a little gray in the forecast. Just blend it all together. Making sure to get all the way to the top of the canvas and the bottom of the canvas. Really good around your cutout clouds. Look at that. I will be giving this one away too. I will mail it to you. All you have to do is like and subscribe and leave me a comment, and I will draw names. There's only one. There's only one winner. Be sure when you get it to come back and leave a comment. Feel free to follow me along on my social media. Links are below the video. Okay, that's pretty. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to find something. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and scrape the excess off. And you can use anything that would work as a scraper. Okay. This one's a little bit too sharp. But once you get the excess off, take your paintbrush and go over it again. Okay. I also like to make use of like old rags, old clothes, and even old oven mittens. So anything left over, I'm just going to wipe off with my oven mitten. Painter's hands always have paint on them. And it's always nice to paint along the frame. Try to keep going the same direction on your canvas. If you haven't, that's okay. It's not too late. Remember, there's no right or wrong. You're just trying to enjoy some art for yourself. And if it turns out, give it as a gift. Every art piece is one of a kind. You don't have canvas, why not try using cardboard? Everybody has old Coke boxes and Pepsi boxes and juice boxes, cereal boxes, you name it. Okay. I'm going to take my oven mitt and just kind of gently wipe it. Wipe off the excess. And then I can just wash my oven mitten. This one I use for painting. See? And it gives it that soft touch. Okay. So stay tuned. We're going to peel this off after it dries. And if you want it, while you're waiting, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more tricks about how to paint. All right, guys. Just remember with the oven mitten, one more time. Just going to gently go like that. Wipe off the excess paint and any fuzzies. And then you can wash this. I mean, you're going to burn yourself if it's old. So why throw it away? You know, recycle it and use it for your art pieces. All right? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hold on. Okay. I want to add a little white to it. Okay. Just got lost in it. Okay, so we're in the part we're going to go ahead and remove the clouds. So now you see how the clouds are formed. What you're going to do next is take a little bit of your white and you're going to paint the inside of each cloud. And if you go outside your lines, that's fine. Just soften it up. And you can mix a little bit of that dark color that sat around the tape that didn't get mixed. You can mix that into your cloud just ever so gently. So you don't have a blue cloud. It blends, but you'll have a little bit of blue in it. Almost done. And if you paint along with me, find me on social media. I love to see your work. Okay. And there is your sky picture. If you want a picture to hang up on your wall, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment, and I will ship this off to you. Bye, guys. Enjoy your art. There's no right or wrong. Just enjoy having fun with the colors and the paints. All right? Until next time.